Right, hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is another pricing video. So it's not a bad morning. It's a little bit chilly, so I'm hoping it's going to warm up, but I'm probably going to be in the shade because I'm getting a load of weeds and ivy and crap out from underneath the hedge that runs right round the perimeter of the property. So I'm going to set off, get there. It's only 2 minutes away, so that's good. Show you, and you can let us know what you would charge as usual, like all these pricing videos, and then at the end of the video I'm going to tell you what I charged. Okay, so I've just arrived and this is a job for your headphones in, you get a podcast or some music on and you just crack on, you don't have to think about it. I'm expecting it to take, I'll be disappointed if it's more than 3 hours, 2 to 3 maybe, but it depends kind of if it comes out easy, and yeah, it's one of those, once you start you'll know for sure. So I'm going to knock on the door, tell them I'm here, and let you have a good look. Okay, so I'm here in the garden. First of all, I'm going to show you what I'm going to be predominantly using today, so I'll just turn you around. So I bought these safety shoes, trainers, for this season. Waterproof, really sturdy, hopefully they'll be decent. Got my knee pads because I'll be on my knees today. Got my wolf garden weed grabber thing, short handle and my long handle, and I got my coffee there and my sack, and I'm going to be bagging the waste up for them and getting my sack back when their bin's empty. So I'll show you the hedge now. I'm just going to walk around the perimeter and give you a proper look. So it's basically a lot of ivy and leaves and stuff underneath the hedge, so it runs all the way along. So it's not too bad round here. It's quite bad here, a lot of ivy there. Runs right down the back there, behind the bins, underneath here, and it kind of goes on the fence to the neighbours there. That's fine. Over here is just some leaves that I'm going to get up, and I'm going to pinch them for me leaf mould bin. So waste is to be dealt with by the customer, and I'll be returning them for me sack in a few weeks when the bin empties. So yeah, so that's that. So I'm going to get cracking, as I say. Hopefully it'll be 2 to 3 hours max, and at the end of the video I'll tell you exactly what I've charged, and you can agree, disagree, whatever you want. Alright. So I've just done the first couple of metres there, and as expected it's not one of those jobs that you really enjoy doing, like you're on your hands and knees, like getting in the back of the bush. Going to blow the little few bits back under, just tidying up a little bit, and I've got this bit and sort of up to the end there, and then the leaves to the right. But this is by far the worst bit, and just got to get these bins shifted and see what we've got. You can see a glass bottle there, like, so that's a real good start. Hopefully there won't be too much more than that. I think it is just ivy, so yeah, let's go. Right, I've done this, the ivy part now, so I've just got to do the leaves over there, which will be a doddle because this has been an absolute nightmare. Yeah, so I'll turn you around. I've got all the waste to clear up and stuff, but I'll turn you around now and you can have a good look. So all this was covered full of ivy, which ran all the way in there. So I've literally had to get down right at the back there to where that fence is and get most of it out. So these are just leaves, so they're not the vines here that you see, and I'll get these out at the end. And loads of rubbish to bag up, but it's a hell of a lot better than this morning. I've ended up with a full dumpy bag there, so if you're watching this and you're wondering what I would usually charge, as I say, the customer's taking it away themselves. So that's one of the big builder's bags. It would be £20 for the first bag, and generally if there's more bags, depending on kind of what type of waste it is, I might charge £10 per bag after the initial 20, because there's a place that I'm going to be going to that you can empty your van, like a Bilingo style van, size van, sorry, for £25. If you get a few of them put in there, you're going to make some money on the you know, on the journey and all that kind of thing as well. Right, okay, so that's taken me almost 3 hours. Apologies for the wind as well, it's quite windy today. So yeah, as I say, let us know in the comments, what you guys would have charged. I've charged £120 without the waste. I bagged it up for the customer, and I'll be coming back to get the sack in a few weeks' time. So that's 120 quid, £40 an hour. So you're taking off a few costs and that. Not the nicest job in the world, but it's a decent bill payer. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. I've got more pricing videos like this if you want to check out the channel, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Bye.